Looks like the traffic stop where I'm close to Comita, Tacoma, Sky City, 1 mile away. It looks like it rained, maybe up there further east. The highway is wet, so hopefully there's not much delay because I need to be in Abilene at 11 p.m. so I can check into, because I reserved the cheap hotel and it says check-in is up to midnight only, so I had 1 hour to spare. Hopefully this will not be a big delay. So now I'm wondering why I even booked that hotel for overnight. So we're still like 8 hours and 33 minutes away from Abilene, Texas. But right now it's totally stopped. The whole traffic is stopped. So it's moving a little bit now, but the state trooper went ahead, went to the other lane and went to the shoulder so that he can be way up there. So hopefully nobody got hurt or not much a pile up. Okay, keep you posted. So rescue vehicles are here and I don't know what's happening up front, so we will see or check later. Hopefully they could clear it up fast because I have only 1 hour up to 11:14 from my GPS, so I don't know how soon I can get there. Hopefully they could clear accident. A lot of people made U-turns already. You can see a car made U-turn now. You can see it's really dangerous. You can see from the side mirror, but there's still more emergency, I think, coming through. And now I don't know which side. Now a fire truck is coming. They're all coming from the west, so that must be the closest big city with emergency equipment from the west side. Looks like ambulance coming. Truck has moved forward, so I'm moving forward also. It's a big mess. So it looks like I waited for more than 45 minutes and haven't moved anything yet, not even on this side, and it looks like it's in the middle of the road. It's like on both sides of the highway, as you can see. So I don't know how long I'm gonna stay, or should I try to make a U-turn, go that other way. I don't know if you can see it all the way there, but right now it's bad. U-turn and I'm going to go the other way because looks like they haven't finished whatever they have.
Towards Acomito Lake.
But I'm not gonna go left turn because that's for the traffic. I'm gonna go turn right and see if I can skip the traffic turn.
Turn left, Interstate 40, eastbound, US 66A, towards Albuquerque.
So it looks like they're still not fixed. So I'm gonna try to see if I can go around it, go to San Fidel or something like that. Because otherwise the trip is already bad. So I'm gonna go this way and see if I can skirt it. So hopefully this will not be traffic too, because all of the people are trying to go the same way. And there's a stop sign here, so we'll be delayed a little bit because other traffic is probably rerouted this way also. So we will see. Hopefully I'm correct. Though my GPS keep telling me to turn around.
Mesa Hill Road.
On that side, and I was near that crash site already, but it seems like they haven't fixed that yet, so nothing can pass. It looks like it two lane, one lane each, one lane going west and then two lanes going east are closed, which is so bad because I think they have looks like an 18-wheeler there that's on its side. So I will just see if I can go this way and cut ahead and be able to reach when the traffic going east. Made a U-turn through Fidel and now I'm going eastbound now. We went past the accident area, so try to see if we can catch up. But we're going, you can see the backup starts up to here, that's going west.
Interstate 40,
I'm going east, so I made
US
it
66A, towards Santa Rosa, for 56 miles.
so on to Albuquerque and then Texas. I'm delayed already 1 hour 20 minutes from that traffic.